The Central Narcotics Control Bureau (SIT), headed by IPS officer Sanjay Singh, is going to be reaching Mumbai shortly to take over the 6 cases that were initially being supervised by Sameer Wankhede. The special investigative team will now be probing cruise drug bust case involving superstar Shah Rukh Khan's son Aryan Khan. Drug cases involving Maharashtra Minister Nawab Malik's son-in-law Sameer Khan and actor Aryan Khan as well. This SIT is going to be taking over 3 other drug cases with national and international ramifications. All the cases were earlier being supervised by Sameer Wankhede. The SIT is expected to arrive in Mumbai by noon. Well, the team is headed by Senior Police Officer Sanjay Singh, a 1996 batch officer from the Odisha cadre and Deputy Director of the DDG of the Narcotics Control Bureau. According to sources, the SIT is going to be first taking over the case papers, scrutinizing them, and if needed, it is going to be re-recording the statements of a couple of people involved in these cases. Mustafa Sheikh is getting asked more details on that big story. Mustafa, this is a significant development given that Wankhede was not just handling 1 or 2, but 6 cases that now gets directly transferred to the Delhi team, isn't it?
Yes, of course. Wankhede was the supervisory authority as he was the zonal director at Mumbai. So the investigating officers for these cases have also been changed. So is the supervisory authority. Sanjay Singh is the new supervisory authority. Is the DDG from Delhi team who's coming down to Mumbai. Anytime he will be in Mumbai, and then they'll come to the NCB office in Mumbai and collect the case papers. So given the kind of allegations which were being made against Sameer Wankhede, you can say that this could be one of the reasons for the cases to be transferred, while the NCB's official release says that this is nothing to do with any person. These are cases which had foreign link, and hence these cases have been taken out from Mumbai, and also no officer has been removed. So Sameer Wankhede continues to be at the position at which he was, and he will continue to do more cases. But these 6 cases will now be investigated by a separate team coming from Delhi. Back to you.
Mustafa Sheikh getting asked all of those details. Thanks for the moment. So what really is on the probe list of the Narcotics Control Bureau's special investigative team? Let's take a look. Aryan Khan drug case. It's a high-profile case. Nawab Malik's son-in-law Sameer Khan drug case. Another case that Wankhede was looking into, that the central team will look into now. Aryan Khan's drug case, that too is another case that Wankhede was looking into. The Mumbai drug case, also the Jogeshwari drug case and the Dongri drug case. These are the total 6 cases that Sameer Wankhede was looking into, and now Sanjay Singh, the Delhi team, is going to be looking into.